To use Chromecast without Wi-Fi, start by opening the Google Home app on your mobile device. Find your Chromecast device and select it. Then tap on the settings icon located at the upper right side of the screen. From there, choose the device settings option and select guest mode. Depending on whether guest mode is already activated, you will see either a pin or a slider. If you see a pin, it means the feature is already on. If you see a slider, click on it to enable guest mode. Once guest mode is turned on, the Chromecast Wi-Fi beacon is enabled, allowing streaming apps that support this feature to discover it. Next, open your preferred streaming app that is compatible with Chromecast, and a prompt to cast to Chromecast will appear. Enable this option and proceed to cast your content. By following these steps, you can easily use Chromecast without Wi-Fi, making it a simple and convenient process.